land of Moses, we stand tall. Facing challenges, we don't fall. With faith in our hearts, we press on, united as one. Our power is strong. Dambala guides us through thick and thin. His wisdom within us, a fire within. Through the desert sand we march together, triumphing over obstacles, now and forever. On this journey we face the fight, like Moses and Dambala.